Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a cooking video. It is not a griddling video, but it is a yummy, yummy recipe. I am going to be making chili in the crock pot today. It's getting a little chilly outside, so we decided that some chili sounded really good. I am making more than I usually do because I'm going to freeze some of it so we can have it with another meal like in the future. We'll probably have leftovers tomorrow, our chili on a baked potato. So let me tell you about my chili recipe. I have been making chili for years and it has evolved to the most perfect recipe. I started out with ground beef, kidney beans, a chili packet, and some diced tomatoes. Well, it was missing something. So Chip suggested we try Italian sausage. So I put Italian sausage in it. It was better, it was good. Same ingredients, ground beef, Italian sausage, beans, chili mix, and diced tomatoes. And then my father-in-law suggested chili beans. I didn't know that was a thing. So I tried chili beans, made it even better. Same ingredients, just added the chili beans and omitted the just regular kidney beans. And then last time I made chili, I had some leftover chuck roast from a recipe that I had just a little bit. It wasn't like a whole chuck roast, but it was like a portion of it. So I decided to cube it up and throw it in the chili. Holy crap, the best chili I've ever made in my life with the beans and the meats and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you the ingredients that I'm gonna have, and then everybody's going in the pool as is, raw, seasoned, and it's gonna cook all day long. It's 10:20. It'll cook all day until Chip gets home and then even beyond, and the house is gonna smell fantastic. So here's what we got. We have our chili beans. These were on sale, so I got these kind. You can get whatever kind you want. I've gotten the generic Meyer kind, and they're just as good. I have a chili packet, Meyer kind, any kind. Low sodium, it was just the first one I saw. Here is my cubed up chuck roast that I cubed up after getting a chuck roast. This is by far the best Italian sausage we have come to find. We really like this. This goes in our meatballs, it goes in our lasagna, it goes in our spaghetti, and ground beef. Now instead of diced tomatoes, I had some crushed tomatoes left over from another recipe, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this. No need to open a new jar or a new can of diced tomatoes when I really don't need to. I'm probably not gonna add that much because all these meats are gonna make it super, super saucy. So I'll be right back and I'll show you what it looks like in the crock pot. All right, so I have got my meat in the crock pot. We've got the ground beef, the Italian sausage, the chuck roast, and the seasoning. I just kinda took my little spoon and kind of broke it up a little bit. And now we're gonna go in with the chili beans. Everybody in, get all of it. It's very good. Another thing of chili beans. I do have one more can of chili beans as it's going today. If it doesn't look like it needs anything, I won't add them, but if it does look like it needs something, I'll add a little bit extra. But this is my big, I think it's 7 or 8 quart crock pot. It is my go-to. We make our Christmas meatballs in it, which I think we'll have to bring you along for that this year. This looks good for now. I'm gonna turn it on low and let it sit for quite a while. I'll come back and check on it in a couple of hours and see if I want to add any more cans of beans. But right now, this is very meaty. Usually I just do a ½ pound of Italian sausage and a ½ pound of ground beef and whatever amount of chuck roast that I have. Like I said, it's between a half and like maybe a pound, but that's all that I had from a leftover recipe. So we'll be back in a little bit and we'll see what it's looking like. I'll bring you guys back. Bye. I forgot to mention what we're gonna top it with. So tonight we will top it with, we're pretty traditional. We've got some olives, some green onions, some Fritos, and in the refrigerator I do have some freshly shredded cheese and some sour cream. If you do not shred your own cheese, highly, highly recommend it. It melts so nice, it tastes so good. You just shred up what you need and either, use it all, or you could freeze it, and there's nothing wrong with that. I do freeze my cheese. Hey guys, It's been about 4 hours, so I'm gonna go ahead and check on the chili. I just came in from my office into the kitchen and oh, it smells so good in here. I'm so excited. Just looking at it through the little thingy, I think I am gonna add some more, another can of beans. I'm gonna stir it up and see what it looks like really quick first, and then I will go ahead and see if I want to add, but I think I do. I think my crock pot is on crack because it's been on low for like 4 hours and it is bubbling. So, but with chili, honestly, you know, the longer it cooks, the better the flavors meld. Oh, look at that, it just looks so yummy. All those little pieces, huge pieces of meat. I like smaller pieces of meat in mine. So whenever I see big clumps of ground beef or sausage, try to make them a little bit smaller. I'm not gonna like totally pulverize it. Yeah, I'm gonna add some more beans. This is very meaty. This could be like chili meat stew. Oh, goodness sakes. All right, well, this is what it's gonna be. I'm gonna let it go for another few hours because, again, the longer it goes, the better it is. And I will show you what it looks like all done, plated up, ready to go with some Fritos and all of those fixings I told you guys about earlier. All right, talk to you soon. Bye. Alrighty, we've got the chili all done. It looks fantastic. It has been in since about 10:30 and it's now at 7. It is steamy. It's been on warm for about an hour because I was afraid it was gonna just burn our mouths. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate some. You can see we got our bowls right here. They're kind of low profile because then, you know, it cools off at least a little bit before we chow down. I'm gonna get one of them ready and then I'll get the other one ready and Ace is ready. I like sour cream and olives and green onions, a little bit of cheese, and then Fritos. Oh, my sour cream is just going everywhere. Sorry about that. I'll just do some olives. And some green onions. Maybe a little bit of cheese. Shredded this the other day, just like I told you guys earlier. It's very good. It'll melt up nicely on this. Definitely recommend you try this. I will have Chips show you his opinion on it when we're ready to eat. Alrighty, moment of truth. Here we go. What do you think, babe? Give it a try. Tell me what you think.
I want some meat chunks in here too.
Oh yeah.
Gotta get some of that.
Gotta get every layer.
What was that? Chuck roast?
Chuck roast. It's been sitting for a few minutes, so hopefully it's not too hot.
Cheese. So good. You killed it. Oh my goodness.
Yay! Give it a try. Bye.